Today I will show how to buy shares of Calisa Acquisition Corp and walk through the process step by step. Calisa is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ALIS. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy ALIS, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALIS to find Calisa Acquisition Corp. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ALIS. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy and enter the amount you wish to spend. Then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your ALIS position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.